In a small, secluded village, there was a house that had been abandoned for decades. Locals spoke of eerie lights and mysterious noises emanating from it at night, but no one dared to go near. One evening, a young woman named Clara, intrigued by the stories, decided to explore the house. She entered cautiously, her flashlight barely cutting through the darkness. The air inside was thick and musty. As she made her way through the dust-covered rooms, she heard a soft, rhythmic tapping coming from upstairs. Clara ascended the creaky staircase, each step echoing in the silence. The tapping grew louder. She reached the top floor and followed the sound to a locked room. Driven by curiosity, she found a way to pry open the door. Inside, she discovered an old-fashioned rocking chair, moving slowly back and forth, though no one was in sight. Suddenly, the tapping stopped, and a cold breeze swept through the room. Clara's flashlight flickered, and she felt a presence behind her. She turned around slowly to see a figure standing in the corner, its eyes glowing eerily. The figure stepped forward, and Clara realized with horror that it was an old woman, her face pale and hollow, with a mournful expression. The figure spoke in a whisper, "Help me." Clara, frozen in fear, tried to back away, but the door slammed shut behind her. The temperature plummeted, and the room filled with a haunting wail. Clara's flashlight died, plunging her into darkness. When the villagers found Clara's flashlight the next morning, it was on the doorstep of the abandoned house. Clara was never seen again. The house was quiet, but now, if you listen closely on a dark night, you might hear the soft tapping of the rocking chair and the mournful whispers for help.